Hello, friends. I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. You're gonna love this story. Elephant and the Dog. Long, long ago, there was a king. The king had an elephant. The elephant trainer looked after the elephant. The trainer had a dog. The dog and elephant were friends. They played together. They ate together. The trainer needed money, so he sold the dog to a rich man. The dog, the dog did not want to leave his friend, the elephant, but he had to go with his new master. From that day on, elephant stopped eating and would not bath. Elephant is ill, said everyone. Doctor was called. He is not ill. The doctor said, he is lonely. He needs a friend. Who has taken his friend away? Who has taken the dog away? The king asked. Punish that man. The rich man who has a dog became afraid and set the dog free. The dog ran out of the rich man's house. He ran as fast as he could to the elephant. Both the elephant and the dog were now happy. They played together once again. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you, friends. Bye. I like this.